everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul, and this is a company I've never purchased from before, but I found it I can't just by searching something on Google and it came up. Oh, I've not seen that website before, so let's go and check it out. And the company was Flair. I will link the website in the description box down below for anybody who wants to go and check. I'm not going to put everything individually on there because I feel like that will just completely fill the description box up. But if there's anything you see here, just go into the search bar and find it yourselves. Plus they do lots more other brands other than what I've purchased. But anyway, enough of me rambling. Let's get into this gorgeous box and find out what I got. As you can see, there's lots of Lavinia products here, and the reason I went online to find the Lavinia stuff was because when my other half took me to the Lavinia shop, I arrived with only 20 minutes left in the shop, and if anyone's ever been to the shop, you'll understand 20 minutes is not long enough because it's just so out of this world. The shop just blows you away as soon as walking in. It's kind of go from this industrial estate to this magical enchanted shop. It's just out of this world. I went online to find some Lavinia products, and as I was searching, this website called Crafty Flair came up, and the prices was actually cheaper than the Lavinia website for most things, so I've kind of shopped between the two to see which was cheaper to buy them from. So if you've never shopped from here before, please feel free to go in and find them and have a look. Like I say, I will put the link in the description anyway. And plus, like, I thought the shipping would take quite a while, but it didn't. I ordered this at the weekend and it's turned up here on the Friday. So here we are. So let's dive in and see what I got. So the first things I got was some more of these Lavinia stencil brushes. After using them, I'm absolutely blown away and I've fallen in love with them. So I got some more of these because I actually want a brush for every colourway. Then we've got this fairy web, so it's basically a spider's web. And then we've got some flower pods, which are really, really cute. Then we've got the, what are they? Fairy buttercups. So cute. I've got to say that everything's cute. And then we've got lots of fairies here, and it's the fairy foragers. So we've got four little fairies there. And then we have the fir cone branch. Now I've seen lots of cards being made using a circle, making this into a wreath. So I'm definitely going to try that. And then I came across the cardio. I have got a fair few cardio stamps, and I think these was actually in the sales as well. So I've picked up this one, and it's tiny trailers, and I feel like they marry very well with the Lavinia style of stamping. And then we also got this one, which is the wildflower woods. Again, all mixed very nice with Lavinia, so I feel like these two will go very nice together. Then we've got dandelions, so we've got 3 dandelions on this one. And then we've got forest creeper. And look at these are forest hares, I think there was. Yeah, forest hares, they're so cute. And then we got the garden poppy, which my friend had this and I loved it. And I forgot to get this when I went to the shop. Whether they may have not had it in stock, I don't know, but this was definitely on my hit list to get. And then we have leaf creeper, which you can see we've got 2 in here. Now this one I believe is make a dandelion. I thought it was build a dandelion. So you can use this on its own, or you could just add lots and lots of these around the flower head and got the leaves. And then we have a tree stem, which is obviously a tree trunk, and you can use it in lots of different ways. Then we have the full-size holly. Then we have Starlights set. I love these. Then we have a Twisted Vine set. And then we've got Red Pine in large. And we have a leaf spray. And then we've got Stars Mini. Just take a minute to appreciate that. It's just so gorgeous. And this one is Fairy Pods. Now, if you have watched some of my previous ones, you'd have known I've been struggling to get the VersaFine Clair re-inker, and after doing so much delving, apparently this VersaFine inker, the Onyx Black, will go on the VersaFine Clair, because apparently it's the same ink, it's just a different pad that holds it. So I finally got that, so I'm going to give that a try because mine's desperately in need of re-inking. Then we've got some stencils, and this one is Berry. And then we've got Replenish. And then we've got more stamps again, which we've got Tree Den. So this is much wider than the other tree leg. Well, it's not a tree leg, but you know what I mean. So they're much more bigger. And then we have the Wild Poppies. And then we've got Wild Summer Flowers. We've got a Silhouette Thistle. And then we've got Stars Mini. But that wasn't Stars Mini, was it? Right, we have, this one's actually Stars Mini, and then this one is Stars 1 Mini, so there is actually a difference in the star ones. Then we've got some more Cutie Fairies, and this one is Small Pixies. Then we've got this lady who I love, and she is Serene. I love this one. I love them all, let's be honest. Then we've got this one, which is Meadow Grass. Some mice here. We've got Minnie and Moo. I just feel like these are so cheeky little characters. Then we've got Poppy Pods. And then we've got Mini Lamp. Mini Orbs. Red Pine Small, sorry, look at that. Then we've got these paint brushes, which came as a set at a bargain price compared to Lavinia's price, so definitely had to get those. No brush set from Lavinia would be complete without their fan brush, so I purchased that. And then we've got Mini Dots stamp. And then we've got lots of different ink pads, so we've got Blue Lagoon, Graphite, Mermaid, Violet Chalk, Confetti, Pine, Della Blue, and then the last one in Olive. So that was my haul, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be having lots of Lavinia fun at them, using all these nice new goodies, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.